Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and today I want to show you how you can make a $1 emergency Christmas gift. Y'all know I love this Martha White Muffin mix because it's so versatile and you can make a ton of stuff with it pretty quick. So let me show you what we're going to do with it. So today I'm using the Cranberry Orange Muffin mix, and we're making Cranberry Orange Biscotti. You need 1 package of this, 2 extra tablespoons of flour. I've got the zest from half of an orange here, and I did add a little bit of juice to it just because. Not much, maybe a tablespoon. This is 1/4 cup of butter, melted, obviously. I'm going to use 1 egg. And about 1/4 cup of pecans. Now we're just going to stir this around until it makes a batter. I don't know about y'all, but I always forget somebody and end up having to run out and buy a last-minute gift. And I'm telling you, this stuff right here makes a perfect last-minute gift for anyone who loves food. You need to take this flour and dip it out onto this surface because our dough is really, really sticky. There. There, we're going to sprinkle some on the top. And we're going to turn it over until our dough's not quite so sticky. Now I already have my oven preheated to 350. Okay, it's starting to feel less sticky now. I can actually pick it up in one piece, see? I have a parchment lined baking sheet. I'm going to stick it on there. We want it about a 1/2 inch thick, maybe a little more, a little less, won't matter. And now we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. Okay, so I've pulled it out of the oven and I put it on this cooling rack, and it's been cooling for about 15 minutes. And now I'm going to cut it into 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch slices. There. That cuts a little easier that way. Now we've got it back on the baking sheet, and I'm going to separate the cookies like this. I lowered the temperature of my oven to 325, and now they're going in for another 10 minutes. Now while they're baking, I'm going to use this almond bark, melt it in this measuring cup in the microwave until it's smooth. And the way I do that, I break off 3 squares. I'm going to cut it up just a little bit. It doesn't need a lot. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil to this. And now I'm going to cook this in 30-second intervals in the microwave until I can stir it. Okay, it's all smooth. I can stir it with this fork, and I can even pour it out. That took 3 30-second cycles in my microwave. Yours might be a little different. Now I'm going to take this hot white almond bark and pour it into this bag. And don't worry, it will not cool off too much before the cookies are done to be able to use it. I've taken them out of the oven, and I've let them cool for about 15 minutes on the cooling rack. So let's get to the fun part. Now, for the ends, I'm just going to take them and dip them in this white almond bark and set them there. For the other ones, I'm going to clip the end off that bag and we're going to drizzle. And look, here's our easy $1 emergency Christmas gift. I'm going to take a bite. It's dry, it's crunchy. It has tons of flavor because of the added orange zest that I put in there. Now these cookies are meant to be dipped in coffee or a sweet dessert wine. That's what the Italians use. And though this isn't your typical Italian recipe with the almond flavor, it's delicious. So if you forgot the mailman, or you forgot a teacher, or you're on your way to a Christmas Eve shindig, and you need to bring a gift, make some of this Martha White Muffin mixed biscotti. People will love it. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Merry Christmas!